Hello everyone and welcome back to Quiet Circuits. Today we are going to compare keyword search and vector search. You will see where each one shines, where each one fails, and how a simple hybrid gives you the best of both worlds. At the end, you will have a checklist you can apply to any project. A quick story to set the stage. You search for refund policy for Pro Plan. A classic keyword engine returns pages that literally contain refund and policy and pro. That is precise, but it may miss a page called Returns and Cancellations for Premium Tier. A semantic or vector engine might find that page because returns and cancellations are close in meaning to refund, and Premium Tier is close to Pro Plan. That is, recall through meaning. Two different superpowers. Precision from exact words. Recall from meaning. What keyword search really does. Keyword search is about exact terms, fields, and operators. It is fast and predictable. If you require the word invoice and the year 2024, a keyword engine can filter by those terms and return just the documents that match. This is perfect for legal names, product codes, model numbers, dates, and fields like author or language. You can boost specific terms, you can search within titles only, and you can combine filters for tight control. The trade-off is that it can miss synonyms, paraphrases, and messy language. What vector search really does? Vector search is about meaning. We turn text into numbers called embeddings. Related ideas live near each other in that space. When you ask a question, we embed the question and look for the stored texts that live nearby. This tolerates synonyms and wording differences. It can also recover helpful results for vague or long questions. The trade-off is that vector search can return results that feel thematically similar but legally or operationally wrong if you needed an exact match on a term, a code, or a date. Head-to-head with simple examples. Example 1. Exact code or ID. You search for issue ABC-219. Keyword search wins. It will find the exact ticket. A pure vector search may not, because ABC-219 is not a concept. Example 2. Vague question with synonyms. You search, how do I get money back for my subscription? Vector search wins. It finds refund policy even if the page does not say money back. Example 3. Regulated wording. You need a page that contains the exact phrase non-disclosure agreement. Keyword search wins because the phrase itself matters. Example 4. Exploratory learning. You search how to think about cold start problem in analytics. Vector search wins because it surfaces articles that explain related ideas even if they do not share your exact words. The hybrid approach in one sentence. Use vectors to find meaning. Use keywords to control scope. Then re-rank. The hybrid in practice, step by step. Step 1. Retrieve candidates with vector search. Aim for a broad top K to capture meaning. Step 2. Apply keyword filters. Require or prefer the exact terms that matter. For example, require the product name or the regulation code or the current version number. Step 3. Re-rank. Run a second pass that scores each candidate using both semantic relevance and keyword signals. Step 4. Return results with short highlights that show why they matched. This helps users trust the system. A mental model you can remember. Think of vectors as the wide-angle lens that gets the whole scene. Think of keywords as the zoom lens that closes in on the piece you must not miss. The hybrid attaches both lenses to the same camera. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Treating vectors like truth. Vectors capture meaning, not correctness. Keep sources clean. 2. Overfiltering. If you require too many keywords, you can throw out a perfect semantic match. Start with 1 or 2 must-have terms and prefer the rest. 3. Chunk size. If your document chunks are too large, the matching becomes muddy. If they are too small, you lose context. A good starting point is 200 to 500 tokens per chunk. 4. Stale embeddings. If pages change, re-embed them. 5. Missing fields. If you do not store metadata like product, version, date, and language, your keyword filters will be weak. Add these fields early. Evaluation that keeps you honest. Make a small weekly test set of real questions. For each question, store a few source passages that a human would expect to see. After any change, run the test set and log 3 numbers. 1. Did retrieval include at least one good passage? 2. Did the answer cite that passage? 3. Did the user stop after reading the answer? When score 1 drops, adjust chunking and filters. When score 2 drops, improve re-ranking. When score 3 drops, improve answer formatting or add missing content. Mini case study. Policy search at a software company. A company has 3,000 policy and help pages. Before the hybrid, users either typed exact phrases and got nothing, or they typed vague questions and got too much. The team introduced a hybrid. First, vector retrieve top 50. Second, require either the product name or the exact word policy. Third, re-rank with a small model that prefers documents with recent dates and internal tags like runbook or how-to. They tuned chunk size to 300 tokens and re-embedded pages that change during the week. Result: fewer dead ends, faster answers, and far fewer wrong hits when a product has a confusing name. Another quick case. Internal code search. Engineers search for the exact function name and a general concept like rate limiting. The system runs a keyword pass to guarantee the function name appears in the code file, and a vector pass over commit messages and docs to surface meaning. The final list shows the exact file at the top, plus a few tutorials that explain how to use it. Precision plus discovery. When to choose keyword only. Choose keyword only when you need legal phrases, product codes, invoice numbers, serial numbers, or exact field filters. Also choose keyword only when your content is very small and highly structured, like a few thousand records with clear fields. When to choose vector only. Choose vector only when your task is open-ended, exploration, brainstorming, or clustering similar items by theme. Also choose vector only when you have little or no useful metadata and you cannot depend on exact fields. Most teams should choose hybrid. In practice, most products benefit from meaning to catch synonyms and paraphrases, plus keywords to honor the details that must be exact. Start hybrid even if it is simple. You can always tune later. A simple hybrid checklist you can copy. 1. Index your content with embeddings. 2. Store clean metadata fields like product, version, author, language, and date. 3. Retrieve with vectors for a broad set. 4. Filter with must-have keywords. 5. Re-rank with a small model that mixes semantic and keyword scores. 6. Re-embed updated pages regularly. 7. Evaluate weekly with a fixed test set. What is next? In the next video, we will show a step-by-step build of a hybrid pipeline and measure how each dial changes the final answer. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more explanation videos. Turn on the bell so you do not miss the next upload from Quiet Circuits. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.